Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we are diving into something absolutely huge, a business opportunity, or really a side hustle that is entirely free to start. If you've ever dreamed of building your own brand, maybe selling merchandise, or finally monetizing your content, but you just stopped dead in your tracks because of the sheer cost and complexity of it all, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to unpack some fascinating source material about a platform called Fourthwall, and honestly, it completely rewrites the rulebook for solo entrepreneurs. $0. Let that sink in for a second. That is exactly what we are talking about today. Usually when someone says start a business, your mind instantly jumps to this massive pile of cash you somehow need to scrape together, right? You picture bank loans, maxing out credit cards, and those awful sleepless nights stressing over overhead costs. But the model we're exploring today, it completely shatters that traditional expectation. So what if your next business cost absolutely nothing to start? Imagine trying to scale the e-commerce mountain without any initial capital holding you back like a ton of bricks. Think about how much more creative, how much bolder you could actually be if the fear of losing thousands of dollars was just entirely removed from the equation. That is the core premise of the opportunity we're looking at today: pure potential, literally zero financial risk.
Okay, let's get into Section 1, the $0 side hustle, a risk-free launchpad.
Let's talk about Fourthwall. It's a comprehensive, entirely free platform that lets you create your very own customizable storefront. And the variety of what you can actually sell here is incredible. We are talking digital downloads, physical merchandise, print-on-demand products, the whole shebang, all ready to reach a global audience. Whether you want to sell a digital ebook or, say, design custom hoodies, this platform is designed specifically so you can build a real income stream without needing a shred of technical expertise. You definitely don't need to be a coder, and you absolutely don't need to hire an expensive web developer. It's essentially an all-in-one help tailored for the modern side hustler.
Section 2. Eliminating financial barriers. No financial hurdles.
Now let's look at the old way versus the new way. Traditional e-commerce platforms basically anchor you down with high upfront capital and these incredibly rigid monthly contracts. If you hit a slow sales month, too bad. You are still paying those steep fees right out of your own pocket. But the Fourthwall model flips the script entirely. There are absolutely no monthly fees, no contracts, and just a flat 5% fee on digital items or memberships. And get this, our source data shows this fee can even drop to literally 0% if you opt for Fourthwall Pro. Incredible, right?
And because there's no expensive overhead actively eating into your bottom line before you've even made a single sale, you remain entirely in the driver's seat of your own profits. You get to maintain complete control of your pricing and your profit margins. Every single pricing decision you make is purely about what the market will bear and what you, personally, want to earn. It's a seriously empowering way to approach a side hustle.
Moving right along to Section 3, Global Sales, Zero Inventory.
Now let's look at the sheer scale you can achieve literally from day one. As a solo entrepreneur, you get immediate access to global print-on-demand, or POD partners. We're talking rapid fulfillment across major regions: the US, UK, the EU, Canada, Mexico, right over to Australia and Japan. And these products are automatically shipped to your customers in just 5 to 8 days. To put that into perspective, you are essentially running a massive global supply chain without ever having to trip over a single box of t-shirts in your living room.
Let's break down how this simplified operation actually plays out. Step 1. The platform handles all the secure payment processing for you. They accept everything: credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, you name it. Step 2, automatic shipping and fulfillment. The second an order drops, it's instantly routed to the closest global partner, manufactured and shipped out. You just get to focus on creating, because the platform provides total automated relief by handling all of those complex payment security and logistical steps for you.
Now, the real secret sauce behind all of this? 12. Let me explain why this specific number is an absolute game changer for anyone trying to run a work-from-home business.
Fourthwall provides built-in customer support that handles buyer inquiries and order issues with an average response time of under 12 hours. If you have ever sold anything online, you already know that customer service can be a massive, soul-crushing time drain. Instead of you managing angry customer emails at 2 in the morning or dealing with stressful lost package claims, you actually have a dedicated team managing your support requests at lightning speed. It's basically like having a completely free customer service department attached directly to your storefront, protecting your absolute most valuable asset as a side hustler, your time.
And finally, Section 4, Scaling Your E-commerce Empire, Growth and Branding.
Now, to turn your new storefront into a real empire, you're going to need a custom domain. Connecting a custom domain, which, by the way, is totally free with the Pro version, makes your storefront officially, unequivocally yours. Owning your own web address instantly elevates your side hustle into a highly professional content business. It stops looking like a weekend hobby and instantly starts looking like a formidable, trustworthy e-commerce brand. And remember, because this is a business opportunity that's free to start, plugging your store directly into major platforms happens seamlessly without any added marketing software costs. We are talking free growth integrations with YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Zapier, and MailChimp. You can sell directly to your followers right where they already hang out and use these automated tools to market to a massive audience. It is an incredibly powerful, interconnected ecosystem designed specifically to amplify your reach.
So, we've seen how the financial barriers and logistical nightmares of traditional e-commerce can be entirely bypassed. You literally have the ultimate free-to-start side hustle sitting right in front of you. The logistics are totally handled, the tools cost absolutely nothing, so the only question left to ask yourself is, what kind of empire are you going to build today? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I seriously can't wait to see what you all create.